Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can create a Google Meet link in Google Meet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Google Meet. I don't know how many times I repeated Google Meet, but yeah, you want to click on New Meeting and get the meeting link to share. Click on it and then just copy the link. And straight away when you're gonna paste the link where you want, the camera is starting right now and you are able to see me right now. So you get the link and you just send it to whoever you want. And this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and yep, join now. And the meeting is on right now. And I'm going to cancel meeting, return the home screen. So again, click on New Meeting, get a meeting link to share. And this is how we do it. And it's like really simple. So yeah, I hope you're going to have a great day. And if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And goodbye.